Hello guys, today I will show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on Samsung Xcover 4S. So in the first step, open the Google Photos app. Now choose the photo that you want to search in the Google. Oh sorry, I have to add a permission before. Now choose the photo that you want to search in the Google. Tap on the lens, and now we are looking for similar or the same objects in the Google Picture database. You can also change the searching area by swiping the edge of the square to look for something more specific. This is how we can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.